Hello guys, we are back with one more problem based on the normal distribution. Now here the difference is x is there. Now if x is a normal variate, nothing but variably, okay, with mu is equal to 30 and sigma is equal to 5. So what we need to do is that we have to find the probability of x which lies between 26 to 40 and probability of x which is greater than or equal to 45. Now x is there. What we need to do is that we need to convert it into what? Z. That means convert it into standard normal variate. Okay. For that, what do we need to do? We have one formula, z is equal to x minus mu by sigma. So for x is equal to 26, so for all the values of whatever is given in the question, you have to convert it into z, corresponding z value. So for x is equal to 26, what will be the value of z? It is nothing but in place of x you place 26 minus what is mu? Mean 30 by standard deviation, that is nothing but what? 5. So what will be my answer? 26 minus 30 is minus 4. Minus 4 by 5 is minus 0.8. Okay. Now moving further, for x is equal to 40, what will be the value of z? So 40 minus 30 by 5. So 40 minus 30 is 10. 10 by 5 is nothing but 0.22. Not 0.2. It's 2. So we have got the values, corresponding values of z. Now we have to draw the curve so that we'll get an idea. Minus infinity to infinity, z is equal to 0. Now remember, what do you need to find out? First mark the points. Don't mark this point because this is a standard normal curve. You have to take the standard normal variate, which is nothing but corresponding z values. Now we have, so I'll just write it over here. So what is the thing here is that p of 26 less than or equal to what? We have x less than or equal to what? 40. Correct? This is a question asked. We have converted it to what? P of what is corresponding value of z? Z over here. For 26, what is the corresponding z value? It is nothing but minus 0.8, and for 40 it's 2. Okay, so we have to find this. So we have to mark minus 0.8 and 2. Okay, now we need to find this area. We already discussed about how to find the area when it is given like this, one negative value and one positive value. How to do that? Simple way. So I'll just erase this whole thing. Now p of from 0 to 2 I'll take, and plus what I have to do, I have to add minus 0.8 to 0. Correct? 0 to 2 plus minus 0.8 to 0. So what will be my answer? 0 to 2, it's 5 of 2 plus, and 0 to minus 0.8 is 5 of 0.8, or you can write it as minus 0.8 also. Anyways, it will give the same answer. Okay. Now what is 5 of 2? 5 of 2 is 0.4772 plus 5 of 0.8 is 0.2881. So when I add all these values, both the values, I'll get it as 0.7653. This is my value. Okay. So let us move on to the second part. Z x greater than or equal to 45. So convert it into z x minus mu by sigma. X is 45, mu is 30, and sigma is 5. 45 minus 30 is 15. 15 by 3, 15 by 5. Correct? 15 by 5 is 3. Okay. So for x is equal to 45, z will be equal to 3. So we need to find out, the given data was probability of x greater than or equal to 45. Now we have converted into z, which is greater than or equal to, what is the corresponding value of 45 in terms of z? It is 3. So we need to find this value. So first, what do you have to do? We have to draw the graph. That means the curve. So infinity minus infinity, z is equal to 0. Where is 3? 3 will be somewhere around here. So we are greater than 3. So this part we need to calculate. We have already discussed how to calculate this. I'll show you again. We need to calculate this part, correct? Here infinity, here 3, here 0. So for that, 0 to infinity probability, we know that is nothing but 0.5. From that, if I subtract 0 to 3, I will get the value of this, correct? So I can directly write it as what? Probability of 0 to what? Z, 0 to infinity minus, I have to subtract what value? I have to subtract this value, 0 to 3. So 0 to 3. If I subtract these two values, so 0 to infinity, what is the probability? It is 0.5. So 0.5 minus probability of 0 to 3 will be 5 of 3. From 0 to anything, like I have discussed already, 0 to, if it starts from 0 to some value, that value you have to take 5 of that value. Now 0.5 minus 5 of 3 is nothing but 0.4987. So what will be my final answer? It will be 0.0013. So this will be my answer.